Hey Natalie, it's so good to have you with us back at Groom with Humānery.
Thank you
Thank
so
you for
much
being
Sid,
here.
for having me.
Absolutely. So, what's the latest at SmileTime? What's been going on?
Well, it's been pretty crazy. We featured on BBC One's Dragon's Den a few weeks
Amazing.
ago.
Yeah, we saw that.
So it's been just crazy busy.
Sounds really exciting. So, how was it? How was it to be on the TV show?
Definitely nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
I trained for like a month with my husband.
Wow.
He was like my dragon trainer, and on the night before I couldn't sleep.
I can imagine, yeah.
So much adrenaline.
And is it actually how it is on TV where you walk in and it's like, there you go, you start pitching, or is it a bit more, stop, cut, take another shot? Like, how is it?
So what's really interesting is actually when you walk in, they don't cut you at all. You actually just go in, you pitch, and then they ask you questions. The main difference is I was standing there answering questions for an hour and a half.
They actually asked you that many questions?
Yeah, and then I think it was like an hour to an hour and a half, and then they cut the content to like 12 minutes.
Yeah, obviously you got very positive news at the show. What happened? Did you get some investment?
So we had 2 offers of investment from Tigger Suleiman, and then Stephen Bartlett, the new dragon on the scene. He also made an offer.
Incredible!
So,
congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And we also got some really positive feedback from all the dragons, to be honest.
So how's the reaction been from your customers since you guys aired on the Dragon's Den show? What have they been saying? How have you felt? What are you thinking about next?
The reaction has been just so incredibly positive.
Yeah.
I feel so grateful that we have such a supportive customer base.
So actually, Natalie, I want to ask you about your products then, because clearly the customers are reacting well. Why is that? How is SmileTime different? What is it about your product and your brand and your service that is making people think that's actually what I want?
The real difference with our products, because there is no bleach in the products, there is no sensitivity, and that was really important to us when we formulated our range to make sure our products are all sensitivity free, pain-free, hassle-free. So it takes 15 to 20 minutes, use it for a few days, and you'll see the results.
Right. So you have your teeth whitening kits, which is the primary product. Is that what you launched with? Because now you have a pretty extensive range, don't you?
Exactly. So the SmileTime Premium Teeth Whitening Kit is one of our best sellers. Mm-hmm. Effectively, your one-stop solution for a brighter smile at home. Yeah. The great thing also, it's made in the UK.
Made in the UK.
The Premium Teeth Whitening Kit. And it has clinical trial data behind it, which shows that it can go, typically you'll see with the PAP formula, around 3 to 5 shades wider, but it can go up to 10 shades.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Wow. Should we try some of your products? You want to give me a demo?
Let's do it. All
right. So let's see a demo of this teeth whitening kit. Then how do I use it?
Sure. So the SmileTime Premium Teeth Whitening Kit is made in the UK, and it's one of our best sellers. So I'm just going to take you through a little demo of the kit and show you what's inside.
Yeah, sure.
You will get 3 syringes. This is with the teeth whitening gel. You'll get a results chart, so you can track your progress.
Okay.
We also have an instructions manual, which kind of takes you through how you use the product. And then what we have inside is your mouth guard and your LED light. You basically just attach the mouth tray to the light, slots on super easily with the lip on top. And then what you would do, you would take one of the gels, you're literally going to apply a quarter of the gel to the top, and then a quarter to the bottom.
And where on the top would you apply? Would you put it here? Because it's supposed to be touching the surface of your teeth, right?
Exactly. You want it to touch your most visible teeth.
Right.
So you want it as close to the front as possible.
Okay. Yeah.
Because that really helps you get it to the front of your teeth.
Right.
Usually you're going to see it the most 5 most visible teeth at the top and at the bottom. Pop it in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
For 3 to 6 days.
So actually, I can keep reusing this kit, which is the mouth tray and the light, and all I do then is if I run out of the gels, I go back and reorder the gels.
Exactly. So every 3 months, would recommend you purchase the gels again.
You have a few other products. There's the charcoal teeth whitening powder.
Yeah, so the charcoal is our natural and sustainable alternative. This is our teeth whitening pen. We call this like a highlighter, but for your smile. It really will, like if you're about to take a selfie, you're going out, this is the perfect thing to just like touch up the front of your smile.
Well, Natalie, thank you very much for giving us a tour and a demo of your products.
No problem,
Amazing.
it's been my
Thank
pleasure.
you. Okay, so I have one last question for you. What made you want to decide to partner with us at Humānery? What were you looking for, and what gap do you think that we plugged for you?
Your mission is super clear. I love that you're creating a safe space for men to shop self-care. For us, I saw a real synergy with the SmileTime brand and Humānery because we have seen consistently, we have 60,000 customers now. 40% consistently since we launched have been met. I think Humānery is doing an incredible job of destroying those taboos, breaking those walls down, and creating that safe space.
No, I'm really glad to hear that. Thank you. Because you're entirely right. Because these products are products that are for everyone.
Exactly.
Everyone will benefit from a brighter, healthier smile, and there should be no reason why men should not have access to this or want to purchase it. So thank you very much. I'm really glad to hear it.
My pleasure.
Thanks again for being on our episode, Grooming with Humānery. It's so good to have you back again. Thanks everyone for tuning into that episode with Natalie Quail of SmileTime at Grooming with Humānery. The entire range of SmileTime is available now for sale at humānery.com, and you can use code PODCAST10 at checkout if you want a first-time discount of 10% to buy the SmileTime products with us. And hope you enjoyed the episode and learned about this really exciting brand. Hope to see you again next time.